It's a quick video on how to change the output of the pump, especially for chlorine applications where you may have to change the output depending upon how the chlorine is degrading in a day barrel. To figure out how to convert your gallons per hour into percent output of the pump, it's pretty simple. It's a math formula. All you got to look, if 7.7 gallons per hour is 100%, if over here, if you put 0.6, let's just say they're looking for 0.6, you would multiply 0.6 times 100, and then you would divide it by 7.7, and that's roughly 8%. So you'd have 8% over here, and then you'd set the pump up to equal 8%. Like the previous video, all you need to do, while the pump's in off, you go over to the milliamp input button. You hold the milliamp input button down. 4 milliamps comes up. You press the button again. It equals 0% speed. 20 milliamps comes up. In this case, we had it at 43, but I want to put it down to 8. And I will go down to 8. And now I would hold this button down again. It says off, and now the pump has been programmed for the dosage that you want. In many applications, what ends up happening, if this had been an old solenoid pump, you'd walk over as the chlorine degrades, and you would turn the stroke length up. As the stroke length goes up, your output goes up, and you pump more chemical. To do the same thing here, all you'll need to do, again, when the pump is in the off mode, hold the input until the 4 milliamps comes up. 0, 20, 8%. So you just go up. You go up to, let's say, 10%. And they'll need to dial that into their whatever needs that they have. They'll have to monitor their residual. They'll have to hold this button down until it says off again. But the pump has now been reprogrammed to increase the output based upon the chlorine degrading. Hopefully this is helpful.